So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today topic is my daily routine. I hope this video can help you to improve your English communication skills. So let's start our video. Morning routine. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make a healthy breakfast like oatmeal or scrambled eggs. While eating, I listen to an English podcast. This helps me practice listening and understand different accents. Exercise time. After breakfast, I go for a jog in the park. While jogging, I try to think in English. I name things I see along the way, like trees, birds, and cars. This helps me build my vocabulary. Work or study. Next, I either go to work or study. During my breaks, I watch short English videos related to my field. This helps me learn specific terms and phrases used in my industry. Lunch break. For lunch, I prepare a sandwich or a salad. I watch a YouTube video in English while eating. This could be a cooking tutorial, a travel vlog, or even a TED Talk. It's a great way to expose myself to different speaking styles. Reading time. In the afternoon, I set aside time to read. It could be a book, a newspaper, or an online article in English. Reading helps me improve my grammar and comprehension. Relaxation. Before bed, I watch an English movie or TV show with subtitles. This helps me improve my listening skills further. I also journal about my day in English. It's a great way to practice writing. Bedtime. I go to bed around 10 p.m. I try to think in English as I fall asleep. Sometimes I even dream in English. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistency. Incorporate English into your daily routine, just like I do. Soon, you'll notice a significant improvement in your language skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. Keep practicing and you'll do great. If you found this routine helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my language learning videos. Stay motivated and keep learning. Thanks for watching my videos.